Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can set your email forwarding in Google Workspace Admin Console. So, in your Google Admin Console, once you're here, what you will have to do is you will click your menu. So, it should be like this. And then go to Apps and then Google Workspace, Gmail, and then Routing, not default routing. And then on the left, you will select the top level organizational unit, and you will just have to scroll down to email forwarding using recipient address map and click configure or add another rule. At the top of the add setting, you will enter a descriptive name for the address map, and in step 1 of the add setting box, you will click add. In the address field, you will enter the original recipient email address, and in the map to address field, you will enter the email that you want to forward the messages to. Repeat this step to add more mappings or see below to map addresses in bulk. So you could basically do this. So you could also do this if you want to. So anyway, um, under messages to affect, you will choose an option. So there are two options, which is either all incoming messages or only external incoming messages. And by this option, which is all incoming messages, you will apply the forwarding setting to all messages received by your domain, including messages sent within your domain. On the external incoming messages option you will apply the forwarding setting only to messages received from the users outside your domain. Then you will also route the original destination. You will check this box to send the message to the original recipient in addition to the new recipients. Add XGM original to header. Check this box to keep the original recipient information in the message header, and you might want to do this if you manage any email based on message headers. Message header information can also be useful for troubleshooting email delivery, and at the bottom of the add setting box, you will just have to click save, and your new address map appears as a row on the routing page, and each row represents one address map. And by the way, the changes can take up to 24 hours, but typically happen more quickly. So it really depends. And yeah, that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.